Today we will discuss about MCQ for Engineering Graphics and Design Part 4. So welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management. So already we have discussed in the previous videos 1 to 30 questions. So let's start with 31. In first angle projection method, the left hand side view is placed on options: above elevation, below elevation, right side of elevation, left side of elevation. So first I will show you the respective position of all the views in case of first angle projection method. So first draw the reference line. So all these are the reference line. Give the name. Now start always with the front view, and that must be at the center. Now if I want to draw the top view, then observer must be at the top. And in case of first angle projection method, always your view is opposite to that observer. That means over here. Now if I want to draw the bottom view, then observer must be at the bottom, and as we have discussed in case of first angle projection method, it is always opposite to that observer. That means bottom view is over here. If I want to draw the right hand side view, then observer must be at the right hand side and view must be opposite to that one. That means over here right hand side view. Now you can understand it must be the left hand side view. Now you are able to give the answer. In first angle projection method, the left hand side view is placed right side of the elevation, because of you know that elevation is equal to front view. So you can say from this figure, this is the elevation, and so that you can say the left hand side view is placed right side of this elevation. So C is the correct answer. Next, in first angle projection system, plan is drawn option: above elevation, below elevation, left of the elevation, right of the elevation. Draw first of all the reference line, start with the front view, and then you can put the position of all views with respect to front view in case of the first angle projection system. Now you have to note down over here, elevation is also known as the front view, plan is also known as the top view. So now you are able to give the answer. Plan, that means what? Top view. So top view is drawn below the front view or below the elevation. So you can see over here it is below the elevation. So B is the right answer. Next, second angle projection is not used because plan is above XY, both views overlap each other, elevation is above XY, views are small in size. So everybody knows that there are the two type of the projection system, first angle and third angle. But here second angle projection is not possible. Why? That means we have to give the reason. So try to understand. This is the reference line, and here it is given to you second angle projection method. That means in the second quadrant, if the object is there, then what happens? So this is the object, and if I want to see the front view, then front view is on VP. So this will be A dash. If I want to see the top view, then top view is on the HP. And whatever it may be over here, that is rotated in this clockwise direction. So view will be over here, and that is A. Now you can see over here in this line, front view and top view both are overlap, so that it is difficult to understand the real objects with the help of the views. So over here the answer is B. Next, in the orthographic projections, front view is projected on option HP, that means horizontal plane, VP, that means vertical plane, XY, GL means ground line. So HP, VP and PP, so your front view is projected always on the vertical plane, top view is projected on the horizontal plane, and side view is projected on the profile plane. So now here the question, front view is projected. So very simple, front view is projected on VP. You can see over here. So B is the right answer. Next, A square plate of negligible thickness is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. The top view will appear as options: rhombus, square, line, rectangle. Now let's consider the figure. So reference plane HP and VP, and this plane is inclined to HP, you can see over here, and perpendicular to VP. So you can understand with the help of this figure. Now the top view will appear as, so first if I want to see the front view, then it will be like that, line, and that will be inclined to XY line. And if I want to see the top view, then it is like that. And now you are able to give the answer. The top view will appear as rectangle. So D is the correct. Next, when a line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP, the front view will be blank to XY. Options: parallel, perpendicular, incline at an angle phi, none of the above. So once again, let's consider the figure. VP, HP, both are the reference plane. Now line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Here you can see it is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. And inclination with VP is what? Phi. So first, if I want to draw the top view, then top view is like that of AB line. I can give the name as AB. Now if I want to see the front view, then front view is always projected on the VP. So front view is like that. Now you are able to give the answer. The front view will be parallel to XY line. So A is the correct. Next, a line having length of L is resting on HP on one end and other end is in VP and parallel to profile plane. Then summation of angle made by line with HP and VP is option: 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So let's consider the figure. So this is the reference plane, vertical plane, and this one is the horizontal plane. So now look at the description. A line resting on HP on one end and other end is on VP. So now I can imagine this is the profile plane. So the one end is on VP and another one is on HP. And that is parallel to profile plane, that is also given to you. Now summation of the angle made by line with HP and VP. So I will give the name first, line AB. Now if I draw the projection, so it is like that. So this is the angle made by the line AB with VP, and this is the angle made by the line AB with HP. And if you look at this triangle, that is actually right angle triangle, and you know that for any triangle summation is always 180, but here it is right angle triangle, so it is 90. So always the summation of these two is also 90. So you select the correct answer as 90. Next, when the line is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP, we can get its true length in option: top view, front view, side view, front view and side view. Let's consider the figure, vertical plane and horizontal plane. Now a line is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. So I can say this line is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. So if the line is AB and if I want to draw the front view, then it is like that. So this is the front view, so that I can say it is A dash B dash. Now if I want to draw the top view, then it will be the point, and that will be AB. So here you can see the true length that is in the front view as well as you can see in the side view. So that true length is front view and in side view. So D is the correct answer. Next, which of the following position is not possible for a plane? option parallel to both HP and VP, perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP, perpendicular to both HP and VP. Actually, this one is the correct answer, but try to understand with the help of the figure. If I will consider the plane that is parallel to HP, then it is by default perpendicular to VP. So first option A is not possible. Now next, if the object lies in second quadrant, its position with respect to reference plane will be in front of VP and above HP, behind VP and below HP, in front of VP and below HP, behind VP and above HP. So let's consider the image. And you know that this is the horizontal plane and this one is the vertical plane. And so that you can say it is the first quadrant, this is the intersection XY line, and this one is the first quadrant, this one is the second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So now you are able to give the answer. If the object lies in the second quadrant, that means over here, then you can say it is above HP and behind VP. So find it, above HP and behind VP. So D is the right answer. So in the next video, we will continue the same session of the MCQ. So thanks my dear friends. Press the like button to appreciate this video.